Hi Jan, hi all. I'm Dr. Kirsty Abbott from the School of Ants. I'm based up in the New England tablelands at University of New England, and at the moment it's fairly chilly. There's not many ants about here, so it's not a fabulous time up here to engage in School of Ants activities, even though we're going to be building some insect hotels down in a gully this week, and hopefully we'll get ants colonising them over the next few weeks. I became fascinated with the little things that run the world 10-15 years ago because they were a pest in a natural tropical ecosystem on Christmas Island. The yellow crazy ant formed very high density supercolonies there and killed the endemic red land crab, which then had cascading effects on the ecosystem and had huge implications for conservation on an island with a lot of endemic species, and where yellow crazy ants were affecting not only red crabs but birds, lizards and bat species there as well. Over time, the Australian School of Ants project aims to document the diversity, distribution and diet preferences of ants. And it's a long-term project. I mean, hopefully we'll be collecting data into the next couple of decades, and the increasing interest, I think, of public in participating in science means that I don't think we're going to be short on data points, and hopefully our reach will be national, and we'll be able to also reach places in remote and rural Australia and gain an insight into the ant species and possibly new ant species in that area. In Australia, ant ecology and myrmecology, the study of ants, covers a very broad range of topics, from the interaction of ants with seeds and seed dispersal function, right through to management of invasive ants in the tropics, where the invasive ants, the yellow crazy ant, the tropical fire ant and the electric ant exist in Cairns and are a real worry for World Heritage Area, where at the moment they maintain a stronghold just near Cairns. Using citizen science projects such as School of Ants to get kids outside and noticing these little worlds, I think, can really be a vehicle for enhancing their aspirations to not only study science, but to go some way to conserving the environment in their local area. The standard protocol that you'll use today, and if you choose to use in the future, and I would encourage you to do that, will be used by students and individuals, citizens around Australia, to collect exactly the same data through time and space. And hopefully our rigorous data collection will be validated by some online games that we're developing at the moment. So please be as accurate and precise as you can in counting the ants that are at your food sources. And hopefully it's warm enough so that you get numbers of ants at each of your sugar solution baits, Scotch finger biscuit and Frankfurt. So thank you for participating in School of Ants, and I'd encourage you to access School of Ants' website every now and have a look at some news and events that are coming up. The events that we're running at the moment are based in New England Northwest region of New South Wales, but hopefully in fact there'll be a national expedition on the cards, and School of Ants will be travelling around the place, and there might be an opportunity to engage some of us to do some ant ecology in your location. So enjoy, take notice of those little things that run the world, and hopefully I'll be able to tell you what species you've got at your site. Thanks, enjoy your day.